The glowing skin face wash. Creating a homemade face wash for glowing skin is a natural and cost-effective way to enhance your skincare routine. The advantages of using a homemade face wash include knowing exactly what ingredients are going into your skincare products, avoiding harmful chemicals, and customizing the formulation to your skin's specific needs. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the benefits of different natural ingredients and provide step-by-step instructions on how to make your homemade face wash for radiant and glowing skin. Benefits of homemade face wash. Homemade face washes are gaining popularity due to the desire for more natural and sustainable skincare options. Many store-bought face washes contain harsh chemicals, preservatives, and fragrances that can potentially irritate the skin and lead to various skin issues. By creating your face wash, you can tailor the ingredients to suit your skin type, ensuring that your skin receives the nourishment it needs without the risk of adverse reactions. Here are some key ingredients for glowing skin. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant that attracts moisture to the skin, helping to keep it hydrated and supple. Its antibacterial properties can also help prevent breakouts and soothe irritated skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for sensitive or irritated skin. It also contains vitamins and antioxidants that promote healthy skin and a natural glow. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that help moisturize and nourish the skin. It's particularly beneficial for dry skin and can aid in achieving a radiant complexion. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains tannins that can help tighten pores and reduce excess oil. Lemon. Lemon juice is a natural source of vitamin C, which brightens the skin and helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. However, it's important to use lemon juice in moderation as it can be sensitizing for some skin types. Homemade face wash recipes. 1. Honey and aloe vera face wash. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Add a few drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil for added benefits. Gently massage the mixture onto damp skin, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 2. Coconut oil and green tea face wash. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. Mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of cooled green tea and 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of lavender oil. Stir well and massage onto your face, then rinse with water. 3. Lemon and honey face wash. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties, optional. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area, and rinse off after a few minutes. Steps to create a homemade face wash. First, gather your ingredients. Collect the natural ingredients you intend to use for your face wash. Ensure they are fresh and of good quality. Second, choose a base. Decide on the base ingredient for your face wash, such as honey, aloe vera gel, or a combination of oils. Third, add active ingredients. Incorporate additional ingredients based on your skin's needs, such as lemon juice, green tea, essential oils, or vitamin E oil. Fourth, mix and store. Thoroughly blend the ingredients in a clean container. Use a small jar or bottle with a lid to store your homemade face wash. Remember to label it with the date of preparation. Application. Apply a small amount of the face wash to damp skin, gently massaging in circular motions. Be cautious around the eye area. Rinse. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, then pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Follow with moisturizer. After using the face wash, apply a natural moisturizer to lock in hydration. Cautions and considerations. Perform a patch test before applying any new ingredients to your face to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. Some ingredients, like lemon juice, can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Always wear sunscreen during the day. Consult a dermatologist if you have any existing skin conditions or concerns before trying a new skincare regimen. Conclusion. Creating a homemade face wash for glowing skin can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By harnessing the power of natural ingredients, you can achieve a radiant complexion without exposing your skin to harsh chemicals. Experiment with different combinations of ingredients and find the ones that work best for your skin type. Remember that consistency is key, and maintaining a healthy skincare routine, along with a balanced diet and proper hydration, will contribute to the overall health and vibrancy of your skin.